Here are piles of solar panels that are on their way to the scrapyard, or for recycling hopefully, after just a few short years on Australian roofs. So why haven't these solar panels lasted the 25 years that their warranty promised? Well, it's one of two reasons. Either they were just really cheap, low quality solar panels and they were never going to last, or they could have been really good quality solar panels that were just so badly installed they never had a hope of lasting those 25 years. Now we all know intuitively that if we buy the absolute cheapest thing, it's probably going to be a load of rubbish. So if you or your parents are buying solar panels, please advise them not to buy the absolute cheapest systems on the market. They're unlikely to last 25 years and you don't want the solar panels on your roof ending up in the scrapyard like these ones. And that's the reason I started Solar Quotes, to help you avoid shoddy installers. I've personally vetted every single solar installer that gets referred through Solar Quotes, and if you choose to go with them, I guarantee you'll have a great experience.